Today I am reviewing the EZARC mini screwdriver precision set. This thing is kind of a fun toy that I've really been having a lot of enjoyment with. So first of all, it comes in looking pretty organized, a little bit industrial, spacey almost. I do love the case on it. All my tools need to have a case just to keep things organized. To open it, stay with me, we take off the magnet. Now the magnet off, you just open it up and you have another magnet holding it in. It is very snug and it unravels like that. And here you see all the bits, all 160, and that's just the bits. Beside that, you have the actual tool, you have tweezers, you have a suction cup in case you're taking off a screen or something that's flat that you need to suction onto. Extensions, picks, adapters. This thing is ridiculously comprehensive. Just to give you a quicker, closer look at it. The case itself is awesome. When I am working with it, it's very easy to lay it out. Everything is labeled very clearly so you know exactly what you're working with. I'll be honest, the majority of these bits I have not touched because some of them are very specific and very specialty. I've been using a lot of the small socket ones, the screwdriver one like the Phillips and the flathead, a lot of the Torx bits, Allen's bits. That really comes in handy whenever I'm working on a lot of my tools. I'm cleaning out, let's say, a blower, because blowers, sometimes they suck in dirt and dust from the other side. I like to keep them clean. I was recently taking apart a light. The light also had some very small, deep screws in there, which I just took this little guy out, put the extension on him, and I was able to get to work. It has a little LED screen, so it also tells you which way you're screwing, in or out, tells you the battery status, USB-C to recharge, which is great. Also have a little gear on here so you can go through the different speed settings and the torque. What I like is when I'm not hitting any of the buttons, it's locked in. So usually the first sort of break free I do by hand, and then I really just enable the motor and unscrew it. Everything is magnetic on it. If we're talking about even the extensions, any of the bits, everything is held in there magnetically so you don't have nuts and bolts running away or any of your bit heads, which you know can be infuriating if you do have to deal with that. You have a few different pry tools, whether it's going to be something like this where you need to pry in something a little bit simpler, whether you need, let's say, something a little bit finer, you need to get into a small panel, you have this guy. So honestly, what I just enjoy about this set, how comprehensive it is, and also how well everything holds in afterwards. I've had this shaken around because when it came, it had these like two foam pieces in there. That was helping everything stay in place. And I got worried that maybe if I take them out, they'll compromise the stability of how everything fits in. Not in the least. Everything stays in great. It holds very snugly, even considering it's just magnets. I've dropped it a few times. I'm not proud of that. And nothing has gone popping out, which is brilliant. This is a little suction cup, comes with a handle. So again, if you're dealing with something screen, maybe you're working with phones or tablets, and you want to take the screen off, excellent. Let's say you're working with glasses, like sunglasses, you want to take out one of the arms, that would be essential. I helped my neighbor with one of those like rechargeable lawn lights. It had a really small Phillips head on the back of it, and I got this guy out gleaming ear to ear. You even have just a magnetic bit in there. And just to go over, you have everything from Phillips to flathead to Torx to hex, star sockets, gambit, tri-wing, triangle, U-shape, square, standoff, drill, exactor, PH2, PRY, AWL, oval. I mean, I would like to make believe like I know what all of those are, and some of them are very particular in shape, but if I do, it's great to know I have a tool set that can really handle anything. Once you're all done, you just take, fold it up, easy peasy, and one final touch, really the cherry on the pie. If you do have it all folded up, and let's say you actually need to charge up your wrench, the USB-C cable, I mean they give you the cable itself, but the port for the wrench is right on the outside of it, so you can charge it when the case is closed. And that's what it looks like all closed up. I've had other mini screwdriver sets, but this one I really like because it is way more comprehensive, just ridiculously. All the other ones do come with a lot of bits, but 160 blows out of the water anything else I've worked with. And also, I like its overall presentation. This magnetic case that unfolds looks epic when I take it out for a client or even when I'm helping my neighbor with some kind of small job.